My day when you had a padlock, you had a lock and you had a key. And eventually you had just had a lock because you had no idea where the key went. Now it looks like we got locks that are smarter than probably the user of the lock. This is an eSmart, see? I already left out the name smart. This is an eSmart lock, right? And it does, however, come with a key. So you have a key hole right there where you can put your key in and unlock it just like that. Or if you want to ditch the key, you have a code. Now, when you get the lock out of the gate, you can just press the unlock button right there. Now you can't because we've already put a code on it. But I'm going to tell you my super secret code because we're just doing this for demonstration purposes. Right now, the super secret code is 555555 unlock. Just like that. It has to be 6 digits and numerical digits, right? So you unlock it just like that, lock it back in, or you can use this card, a key fob card right here. What's cool about this, I do not have this card hooked up, so it's not being used right now. But what's cool about this is you can have an infinite amount of codes and you can give your different codes to different people so you can see who's unlocking it or who's not. So think of like a work shed and you want to give a different code to different workers, you can, so you know who's opening up or who was the last person to open up that shed and did not put the lock back, right? That's a really good use case for that. The other thing is it is USB-C. So you charge this up by USB-C, and if you happen to not use it for a while, the battery is dead, so if you can't unlock it that way, you can always use your key, or you can bring a charger to this, charge it up for a few minutes, and then you should be able to unlock it. Now, if you can't unlock it because it loses its memory or whatever, you have an app for that. So inside the app right here, you can actually program your key fob. We're gonna do just that. All right, so you have 2 cards in here. We're gonna program the first card right here. So we're gonna go card 1, and you just do card 1, and then you can name it, and we're just gonna say card 1, confirm. Now we should be able to unlock it with card 1, just like that. Now you can give this key fob to anybody you want, but that's how you program it. Everything is inside the app right here. And the other cool thing about the app is that you can manage your passwords. You can generate a temporary password if you just want to give it to somebody. And then you can actually go in here and see a history of what the device type was. So there's a password unlock history right here. You can get new records. And we can see exactly, because we've been playing around with it, and you can see who has done that, and admin has done that all the time, right? Because we haven't given out any passwords. So that's cool. So inside the app, you have a complete record of who's using it. So if you're using this padlock for a work site, job site, or something like that, it's gonna come in super handy by giving out passwords. If it's a temporary use, you can delete them out of here so that they can't have access to the lock. That is a pretty smart lock. So it's the eSmart lock. That is really smart. And inside the app, you can actually unlock it inside the app right here. And you can turn on and off the sound as well if you don't want those beeping noises. Now, this is a silent lock to unlock it. Just like that, it unlocks. So we're gonna put the beeps back on it so we know when somebody's trying to mess around with it. For me, this is gonna live in our shed on our property. So we're gonna just put this on the shed. Anybody can access it at any time if they have the special kind of code. Now we don't have to worry about who's accessing it because now we know, but we just have to worry about when this thing is gonna die. Now we just have to keep it charged at all times. And this charger, the battery life on here should last a long time, because if you're not using it for a while, it goes to sleep. To wake it up, you just press any of the numbers, connect it to the app. So the battery on here does last a ridiculously long time. So if you have a community shed or something you wanna control the access to and have a password manager, this eSmart lock is a good pickup for you.